Alright, welders, here we are at a mine in southwest Florida, and we're going to be doing some hard facing on the rotor on this crusher that you see. And in the center, just above the ladder, we got the machine opened up, and I need to do some hard facing on the rotor where it's worn down. So I'm going to pause this and then I'm going to bring you up in there. Alright, here's another view of the rotor. You might see up here at the top, kind of in this area right here, I've been doing a little bit of hard facing. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause. Okay, here's the hard facing welding rods that we're going to be using. Studi is the brand, and the model is 31. Now these welding rods we're going to be using, I'm going to show you one. See the 31 right there? Now these are 3/16, and we're going to be running these things on electrode positive, just like you're welding 7018 or 6010. And the approximate amperage is somewhere around 230 amps, I'm not quite sure. And we'll be using a Big Blue, which you can see there mounted on the truck. That's the Big Blue 400. Okay, let's take a close look at some of the beads that I've already run right now. Well, first, you can see right here the first beads. Down here we got plenty of hard face on here. Here's, you can see the steel's actually wearing through, it's kind of rusted. And we're going to be building up pads all the way up to here. Coming over here, you can see I've done a bunch of pad welding already. Alright, building it all the way up, just laying one bead on top of another, all the way up to that edge there. Alright, now I'm going to put you on pause here for a second and reposition. Okay, now we're going to, I'm going to run a couple beads right here and right here. I'm going to run one rod, it'll only take a minute or two. Alright, let me chip that. I'll wire brush it. Okay, let me pick you up, take you in a little bit closer. So you can see right there the tube, the bead, one bead, and the other bead that I just ran. And they got little imperfections here and right here, right there, but that don't really matter. This is not structural. We're just covering beads to protect the base metal in a hard face, and we're going to run beads over it, so it'll cover up. It's not really a big deal. But let me show you some other things too. I've got the board that I'm standing on. That's for comfort. I got a bucket with the welding rods. Throw your stubs in there, and hold some of your tools, your chipping hammer, your brush, and also a fan. Of course, I don't have the fan running right this second, mainly because it makes too much noise. But you really want the fan running. You want lots of ventilation. These hard facing rods have a lot of nickel, chromium, and I heard they have unobtainium in there too. That's a trade secret. So you don't want to be breathing that stuff. That's bad for you. Alright, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, email me or leave a comment below. Thanks.